Hi everyone. In my previous video, we learned about the determiners, articles and demonstratives. Let us learn about other determiners. The third one is possessive determiner. Possessive determiner answers the question whose. I repeat, possessive determiners answer the question whose. Suppose I say, this is my book. Whose book? My book. My is the possessive determiner. This is his house. Whose house? His house. So his is the possessive determiners. This is our car. Whose car? Our car. So our is the possessive determiner. So his, my, your, her, are, etc. These are possessive determiners. Now the next kind is interrogative determiners. Interrogative determiners are used to ask question. I repeat, interrogative determiners are used to ask question. And always remember, determiners are always placed before a noun. Whose, which, how many, how much, what, etc. These are interrogative determiners. See the examples. Whose car is that? Now here, whose is the interrogative determiner. This is used to ask question and this is placed before a noun. Which book do you like the most? Here, which is the interrogative determiner that is placed before the book and is used to ask question. Next is, how much water is left in the jug? Here, how much is interrogative determiner. It is placed before the noun water and is used to ask question. How many children are present today? Here, how many is the interrogative determiner. It is placed before the noun children and is used to ask question. Next type is Next is quantifiers. Quantifiers are those determiners that tell us about the unspecified number or quantity of a noun. Suppose I say, there are many children in the park. Now here, many is a quantifier because when you say many children, you cannot tell the exact number. Exact number you cannot tell, exact quantity you cannot tell. So many is a quantifier. This is unspecified number. Suppose I say, there is a little water in the jug. Now here, a little also is a quantifier because when you say a little water, you cannot measure the quantity. How much water? A little water. So this is a quantifier. Next is, one more example you can see. There are few books lying on the table. Lying on the table. Here, few also is a quantifier. When you say few books, you are not telling the exact number. This is unspecified number. So, few also is a quantifier. So, few, many, much, little, all these are quantifiers. Next is numerals. Now, numerals are of two types. Numerals are those determiners that indicate the number. They are of two types. First is cardinals and second is ordinals. Now, when I say 1, 2, 3, they are cardinals. 1, 2, 3, etc. They are cardinals. And if I say first, second or third, etc., they are ordinals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. are cardinals. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. are ordinals. Cardinals tell us about the number. I have 2 books. How many books? 2 books. So, cardinals tell us about the number, while ordinals tell us about the rank or order. Suppose I say, he stood first in the race. So, this is telling us about the rank or order. He stood second in the competition. Second is telling us about the rank or the order. So, cardinals tell us about number and ordinals tell us about rank or order. And both cardinals and ordinals collectively are known as numerals. See the example. He stood first in the race. Here first is the numeral. Suppose I say, I have 3 bags. Here 3 also is a numeral. Now next type is distributive determiners. Now distributive determiners are those determiners that tell us how something is divided on the members of a group. How something is distributed between the members of a group. For example, I say, example of distributive determiners are each, every, either, neither. Now, either means this one or that one. It has one more meaning. There are 2 meanings of either. Either stands for both also. Either has 2 meanings. First meaning is this one or that one. You can choose. The second meaning is both. For example, I say, there were trees on either side of the road. Here either means both. Here it means both. Means there were trees on both sides of the road. And if I say, you can have either tea or coffee. Means choice is yours. Either you take tea or coffee. Neither means not the both, or you can say not any. Neither means not any. For example, neither of the boys has completed the work. Means no boy has completed the work. Next is each and every. See example. Each boy of the class completed his work. Means when we see the members of the group as individual, then we use these determiners. When we see the members of the group as individuals, then we use this determiner. Each boy of the class means all the boys, one boy, single boy of the class completed his work. Every child in the country has the right to education. So each, every, either, neither, these are distributive determiners. I hope the concept of determiners is clear to you. Practice them regularly. Thank you.